Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix screen flickering in Windows 10 or 11. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11 and you want to fix your screen flickering, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first thing you can do, you just have to check your task manager if any of your app is disturbing your system. So now to do that, you just have to simply press the window button and here just search for task manager. Now in task manager, you have to see if any of your app is using so much CPU. So here you can see all the apps using your CPU. But if you find any unknown app here, so you can end their task. So let's say I'm going to select setting here. Just right click on it, then click on end tasks. So it will completely close from background and from your desktop. So once you have done, you have to find that unnecessary or that disturbing app and then close or end their task. So I'm gonna end task of task manager. So it has been closed. Now, if you're still facing the same issue, so you have to simply go to Device Manager, just press search, and here just search for Device Manager. In Device Manager, you have to look for your graphic card, your graphic adapters, or your display adapters. Here, the display adapters, expand it, and here your graphic driver. Just right click on it, and then click on Update Driver. Then click on Search automatically for drivers. It will search if there will be any pending update for your driver. It will be downloaded and installed on your PC. Or you can also right click on it, then click on Uninstall Device. So now, once you have uninstalled, you have to quickly restart your PC. So after restarting, it will automatically download the latest adapter or latest display driver for your PC, and after that, you might not get that issue again. Or if you're using a PC, so you have to re-plug in the HDMI cable of your PC, and after that, you will not get that issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.